The Spark EUV stands out for its set of attributes that combine practicality and innovation. The Boxy design reinforces the robustness typical of SUVs, while the interior was designed to maximize space and comfort in a 4-meter-long vehicle. At 4,003 millimeters long, 1,760 millimeters wide, 1,726 millimeters tall, and with a 2,560 millimeter wheelbase, the Spark EUV combines compactness with excellent interior space. The 22-degree approach and 32-degree departure angles reinforce its suitability for tackling ramps, ditches, and uneven surfaces common in large cities. On the outside, the Spark EUV boasts a fun design that conveys robustness and a striking personality. The body incorporates elements such as full LED lighting, 16-inch wheels with high-profile tires, and two-tone mirrors. The bumpers feature elements in different shades of black, reminiscent of those on off-road utility vehicles. The squared-off moldings on the wheel arches reinforce the adventurous style, while the appliqué on the C-pillar creates a distinctive visual signature. A contrasting roof option completes the look. Inside, the Spark EUV is designed to offer superior comfort than expected in a compact 4-passenger vehicle. The high roofline enhances the feeling of well-being, while the flat floor favors occupant ergonomics. The Spark EUV's interior also impresses with its quality and attention to detail. The configurable 8.8-inch digital dashboard and 10.1-inch multimedia center organize key functions clearly and intuitively, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. Furthermore, it's the only one in its class to feature 2 trunks, 355 liters in the rear compartment, which can expand to 916 liters with the seats folded down, and an additional 35 liters under the front hood. The Spark EUV is built on a dedicated electric vehicle platform, offering enhanced structural efficiency and balanced handling. Equipped with a 101 horsepower front-mounted electric motor that delivers 180 Newton-meters of instant torque, the Spark EUV provides responsive performance in urban environments, comparable to that of a 1.0-liter turbocharged flex-fuel engine. Another highlight are the 3 driving modes, Eco, Standard, and Sport, which allow you to adjust the vehicle's response according to your needs for greater driving pleasure. The Spark EUV features a lithium iron phosphate battery, offering reliable performance and long cycle life. Charging options include alternating current at up to 6.6 kilowatts, perfect for home use, and direct current fast charging at up to 50 kilowatts, enabling significant battery replenishment in just a few minutes.